Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to highlight a selected area in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, insert a image. Okay, then selected area. Use press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer. Then highlight, lighten, click. Layer panel normal to lighten, liner draws, or another way, click the brightness contrast, lock, highlight it, and step 3, go to image, adjustment level, levels. And step 4, another way, go to image, adjustment, exposure. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.